Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Kaya kita pergi masuk ke rustic hammer. Wah, aku dah boleh.
Wah, bend already see.
The bigger one.
Like that. Bangga ni lah ni.
Ni video kan?
Pour on the ground.
There's stick will go in right?
No shot only ah.
Okay, I stand one.
Pour to the ground. All the way up.
Bending it to go up.
Yeah.
We need to turn the side because it's wrong side. This the entrance should be.
There got more entrance what?
Why got two side one?
I don't know. You coming back here you keep this open way no. So the next time can use that.
You be gone ma.
Wow. After that you whack the peg in some more. Okay lah, can lah. Tighten.
Tired. Ini kok hanya NCO. How long did we take, ba? An hour? Oh no, our tent! Oh shit!
Actually, our inside is dry, not too bad.
There's an inflate button, but I don't know if it works okay. Wow, this is the base. stick for the fire, but it was raining just now, so everything's like wet, so I don't know if it'll work.
Wait, one to one.
It's like leftover wood from people's campfire. True. It's like this is our setup.
So we go on fire.
Oh, I saw a bit. You need me to pick more wood?
My husband sorry. Continue the fire.
Our marshmallow is burned. The golden brown crispy.
I don't know how you're going to hold this thing over it.
Oh Shivi, the ash go into the water.
What?
Guys, you can't boil water over campfire. All the ash. Prepared corn.
Maybe nasty.
It looks like your butt is on fire.
Corn might be on fire.
Oh shit. I'm cooking Indomie and Shin ramen. Is it even sanitary to eat that? Our corn. Our dinner situation. This is our setup. It's like so dark, can't even see anything. How is your sleep?
Horrible.
Ah, there's ants.
Yeah, my back pain. The floor is too hard. Material is too soft. There's no in between.
And we have no fan.
My spine cannot
We
take
need
it.
a fan, it's so hot. But then in the middle of the night was okay. But like in the early,
It's too hot.
No.
It's too hot.
really. Okay, we need to buy a fan for the next one.
Like-
We are gonna cook breakfast now. Okay. Oh shit guys, there's a monkey here.
Wait, I'm going to scare the fuck up.
And like we are trying to cook, later he steal our food. They're like damn aggressive. What is going? Oh he lives, he's leaving. Let's bring up. We were gonna cook pancakes. I think now we're just gonna cook eggs. Because the monkey is looking at us. He's like staring at us from the tree. Oh shit, he's there. On top of the tent, see?
Can't do it anyway.
True, but who knows, maybe you can open it. We're just gonna cook eggs for breakfast. Bob said he got rotan if the monkey attacked us. Caught this from yesterday. What? It was like white color and like super cute one. Look at how burnt it is. Oh my god. A pot. It was cute, like it was this color. on fire, man. Get our eggs.
Want to give me? I can do.
Okay. It's done, it's done, it's done. I'm gonna burn some marshmallows since there's still fire. Not sure how it will go though.
Get through inside.
My marshmallow is all melted. Look.